This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by measuring and selecting food-grade chocolate wax. This matters because impurities change texture. Place a heat-proof bowl over simmering water. Do not let the bowl touch the water, and stir constantly to melt evenly. Once the wax reaches the target temperature, remove from heat to avoid overheating, because high heat breaks the fat structure. Make sure to wipe any condensation off the bowl, then transfer to a warm container for the next step, while maintaining gentle, steady stirring to keep it fluid and glossy. You now refine the melted wax by cooling it to working temperature to set the crystal form. This improves snap and shine. If it feels too thick, add a small amount, 1 to 2% of melted cocoa butter and mix until homogeneous, because that thins without ruining structure. Conversely, warm briefly if it's slumping. Strain the mixture to remove any solids. Once smooth, pour a small amount on parchment and observe how it levels, ensuring consistent viscosity before filling molds. You pour slowly into prepared molds, tapping to release trapped air and achieve smooth surfaces. Then place on a flat tray into a cool area around 16 to 18 degrees Celsius to set. Once set, demold with a gentle twist and trim any seams for presentation. For storage, keep products at steady temperatures away from humidity to prevent condensation. If you encounter fat bloom or dullness, retemper the wax or warm it lightly and recool, because restoring crystal structure fixes most appearance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.